Hello, everybody. I'm Owen John Garrett. This is a tip video. This is training with YouTube Shorts from what I've learned about them so far. Um, so let's just hop into it. I got a bunch of notes here. So if I could start over again, I would start Shorts earlier to train myself to have a better retention. Okay. Um, I mean, Mr. Beast talks about it a lot. He's like, if I work at your title and your thumbnail. That's like the first part of retention. Get him to click on your video, and then the first 5 seconds you need to like make that the most important, and then the 10 seconds you need to make that the most important, and then the first 20 seconds you need to make that the most important, most 30 seconds. So you kind of incrementally make your content better to get people to stay on your videos more. And I think YouTube Shorts are a perfect way of doing that because the expectation for Shorts is that they are short. Okay, so let's hop in. Step one would be posting consistently. So if you're going to be a shorts channel, this isn't going to be for you. But if you're a long form content creator wanting to get monetization through a long form content, I would say using shorts for exposure will help. And then also it'll make your exposure, because the algorithm feeds a lot more shorts into the system a lot more quickly. Anyway, so step one would be getting a consistent posting schedule, and one in a week, one in a day, one a month, whatever. Just get consistent, whether it be 10 videos, maybe 10 videos is a good place to start. Then step two would be gather data on the average watch time of your videos. So is it 60 seconds? Is it 2 minutes? Is it 10 seconds? Whatever. And then step three with that data would be making shorts that long and trying to get 100% retention. I have a bunch of examples of so my videos, I started off with 90 seconds and then I worked my way down because somebody told me this isn't short form content. I'm like, well, yeah, I'm a long form creator, my bad. But then, that got me thinking. So I condensed the time down and down and down over and over until I started doing 7-second to 20-second videos. And then I noticed that with my 7-second videos, I was getting 103% retention rate. So I was able to hold the people's attention, 50% swipe rate, and a 7-second like average watch time. So then I realized, oh, if I get really good at 7 seconds, maybe I can do 10 seconds. But like when you get 100% watch time, you get fed. It seems you get fed into the algorithm more. So then you'll get more viewers. So then like I was getting like an hour and a half watch time off of 7-second videos. So I mean like there's the power in that, but the whole point of it is that you're trying to get 100% watch time, then you can slowly increase your length. So doing this volume, and if you do a frick ton, like I've been doing like hundreds, okay, you're getting a bunch of volume of training for your intro. But like when you're doing just long form content, you're only getting 1 rep per video. Does that make sense? Maybe you shoot the video 5 times, maybe you shoot it 10 times. It's still only one to 10 reps. But if you do this in the shorts format, you can still produce content for YouTube and keep getting exposure, not sacrifice exposure to train, but then also train and get all this volume. So this is kind of my little YouTube Shorts training model. Hopefully this helps somebody, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.